I've been trying to stay away saying too much on this Maureen's case, but since they are all dragging me back and forth, the drag, correct, concern me, but I just have to put some things right so that people who are watching will understand what is really going on.
wọ́n ní ohun tó pamọ́ ojú ọlọ́run ló tó, ṣùgbọ́n àǹtí Adunni ti jáde láti tú àṣírí Maureen Badejo, ohun tó wà láàrin Maureen Badejo àti Apostle Suleiman àti Dr. Olúkọ̀yà yẹn ti Mountain on Fire. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa rí nínú fídíò yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo fídíò ẹ máa bá mi like, ẹ máa bá mi share, ẹ máa comment. Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti tẹ subscribe button, ó yá ẹ bá mi subscribe sí channel yìí. Ọwọ́ tẹ fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí, ẹni fi gbọ́mọ sí, ẹni fi rí wàhálà, ẹni fi rí dààmú. Nǹkan rẹ̀ lẹ máa fọwọ́ yín ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run. Thank you so much.
How many people are on exile because of your case? You know how many people's children are hiding because you put them into wahala? They come. Let me quickly play the video Maureen did for me that was sent to me. Because me, I have blocked her. I have blocked her because I said, but she did a video and she was putting out wrong narrative. You cannot tell me not to respond to that. If pastors are responding, my ex-dad itself don't respond about what is going on. Say people ask her, they are stressing him because he asks people to donate money. My ex-dad respond, we are all human beings. Make I no talk. Any to buy ni kima talk, kima blocking you. Yes, I had enough friends. Thank you so much. All right, let's listen to the video she did for me today. Adunni continue to dish out rubbish without any proof. Where is the proof you have concerning MFM? Me, I spoke on Redeem, and I have my proof. And that is why Redeem cannot take me to court. I have evidence of the payments we were making, the church we pastored, what we went through, how we pay tithes, how we pay first fruits, how at the end of the day, not because I want to continue to be a pastor. At that moment, being a pastor was the wrong thing. I mean, the last thing on my mind. My husband just died less than 6 weeks, going not less up to 2 months. They stopped me from coming to the same church that I thought was a family church. And then I left. Later, they asked for me. They came to beg me in my house to come back to one of the biggest parish very close by. And I started going there. And I know they wanted to use me again. And they said I should come and be a worker. I said I'm not yet to be a worker. I've told the story. I didn't hide my story. All of you, kidding MFM, what did Sule do to you? Apostle Sule, Eban Papers, and our customer Sule. Help me to call Apostle Sule Johnson member. Make them come here. Waiting Maureen talk about their church and why is after their church. Shebi Banana talk am. All of you no believe to Anana. I dey come. Long thing leleyi. Èmi lè fẹ́ bà lórúkọ jẹ́. Ẹ̀yin tó pé ìgangan lẹ lórúkọ.
Address some pressing issues.
Let me put it on speaker. Alabosi ni mi. Alabosi is better than a thief. Let me put it on speaker. Alabosi is better than a thief. People manipulating to steal. Alabosi ni mi. I own it with my chest. Wọ́n mú ẹrí ní tí máa fi wà lóyà sí ẹ. Kí n jẹ́ kẹ́ pa mí in the process of being lawyer. Kẹ́ rán mi lọ sọ́run. Or put me in tight trouble. Make them collect my house. Alabosi ni mi o. I own it. Kongo. America leleyi. If you hold litigation money, then slam you damages. You know if you pay, then go collect your house. Make them collect house where I no take social media money build. Alabosi ni mi o. Because I refuse to run with your rubbish and nonsense. I was just doing my own. Any video I see on social media, I go carry. Let me put it on speaker, Gere. Adunni is Alabosi big time. Oh yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for everything, especially those of you that follow my page from 2018 to date. It has gotten to a stage that I need to some pressing issues, most especially from this Alabosi that call herself Adunni. I don't know her from Adams. I'm on social media. She came to me on her own. She came to me. She called.
And if I came to you on my own, what's the big deal about that? A lot of people come to me. What is there to go gloat about? What's there to gloat about? Simba, come on your own, uncle. I'm going to feeling funky. Feeling funky. Who do you think you are? You that they sew clothes for you. Timo, when party funke. The clothes you are wearing is looking like a carpenter's dress. Hey, feeling funky. She came to me on your own. Did I come to beg you for money? Did I come to you to beg for money? Apostle Sule, come here. I have some things to say to you. Reason why they are fighting me. Oh yeah.
Got my number from the Facebook. She called me. Madam, I love what you are doing. Thank you very much. I want to support what you are doing. I want to support you. I am one of your followers. This is.
You are a liar, Maureen. A big liar that you are. I only commented on your post. And I said, so somebody can be talking about pastor. I love what you're doing. Yes, I said so. And what's the big deal? A lot of people have sent me message telling me how they love what I'm doing. And what's the big deal about that? You want to make yourself feel like somebody. You are feeling like somebody. One way more than in Nigeria. Nobody could take your bail. One way more than in Nigeria. You used almost 2 months. Nobody could rescue you. I thought you knew people. I am coming in case I forget. Remind me. I don't get full gist how she was arrested. Oloju kokoro. Oloju kokoro. Oloju insect. I will tell them how you were arrested. Báwo no she arrested to ban shole. Oloju kokoro. Aláìní tẹ́lọ́rùn. Oh yeah.
Do understand that's fine. It's good. And since then, I've been supporting her. To God be the glory.
You never supported me. I only approached you once during Mommy Gio's case and my sister, and I begged you. And what's the big deal? People have come to my social media space to speak on my page. I don't charge a dime. I am putting it out to you that you charge. You charge people to speak for them on your channel. I will play a video, evidence of somebody you told that you don't want to do a show because a show cannot bring money. Oh, yeah, I don't talk about shows where they Jawo, Mrs. Jawo, wicked people.
Sure. Will come to me. And I'm going to show you, even with monetization and everything. But at this stage, I can see that maybe she got dementia and there's some.
Dementia. You are the one that has dementia. They cannot lock people in Nigerian kiri. Oh man, dementia. You don't know the meaning of dementia. Have I sounded like somebody who is forgetting anything when I speak? How do I have dementia? That's what they are telling people on social media. Leave her, she has dementia. That's why she's talking like that. I am more coherent, more explicit when I talk than you. Ìwọ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ni tó ń datọ́. Ìgbẹ́kẹ̀ feeling funky. Social media champion. Want to move champion, want to relegate, they pay now. No, me kuku relegate you. Now you and Sule drag. When Sule finish your life. And at that system, they still take cash you for Nigeria. Very greedy fellow. Very greedy. Oh yeah.
They call memory failure. I think her memory is failing because there are a lot of wrong narrative, a lot of lies she continues to put out there, which I think I need to address. You know I don't do fracas. This one has been coming from me since.
Shut up. You are a fracas person on social media. Everybody knows you. You are a fracas, correct fracas. And I will play the video of one of the people, not even one, about 2 people on fracas side. Tonti drag. You came back from social media. I mean, from your kiri. You did not face one guy. What is this guy's name? Victor King. That told your story, your life story. Also everything. Yeye Kudi told your story. Oh, Loba. Those are the people you have been having issues with. Ex-convicts. Oh, Loba, I want to timba fawala. This lady too. There is another lady that is one of these fracas people too. She has been dragging you. Who brought out your video of your prison uniform? Am I the one? You did not go to all these people. It's me you come to meet. Oh, why ni money dementia? Money. Somebody dementia anko. Yeah, dementia is a sin. I agree. But I am not a thief. I am not a thief. I'm not a manipulative person who pay people to lie. I don't do that. This is what people are not saying about you guys. I don't pay people to come and lie on people. Asiri nyo ni bo, ex-convicts. Asiri e o le bo, iwo lelewọn. Greed ye, lo gbe ede won. It's your greed that got you to where you are today. And I'm going to tell them how they were able to arrest you. Greed. I have been telling people for about 2-3 years now. I don't have any affiliation with any blogger on social media at all, because me only get drag me sinu greed yin. You said me I'm a fracas person. Have you ever seen me fighting any fracas person on social media? You and these people have been dragging yourself for years. I don't change the narrative. People know now. except people that are just coming into social media today. Those are the people that will not know. Don't change it. Emi call this fracas person. You are the real fracas person, gangan.
2021 that I block her off. I maintain my lane, but unfortunately, because...
Tell them why you block me off. Blocking people off is not a big deal. I do block people too. Me, you block me on WhatsApp. Me, I block you everywhere. Kini big deal, you know, yeah? I have blocked you everywhere. In my purest of heart, when you came to Maryland, I thought we were really making peace. Until when I saw, let me cry because you didn't pick my call. Who is somebody among your people that are fighting for you? They said me. I don't have that I'm a nobody. Emi tin travel. Emi for what? Emi travel up and down. I'm still doing it till today. Last year, how many places, Lolo? I traveled well last year. I traveled very well last year. I just refuse to be drawn into your wickedness and your manipulation and your selfishness. Ikaniyi ati wa ati funke, I'm putting it to you. Ikaniyi, I have evidence. A lot of evidences. All in the process of saying you are doing liberation. You guys are not doing no liberation. You are making use of these people to make money, not caring what is going to happen to them. Have you ever seen me put any victim at risk? Did you see me put any victim's life at risk? No. I protect my informants. I protect people who speak because I know it's risky. You thought nobody can catch you because some people told you they were bankrolling you, but nothing can happen to you. Now it has happened. Why are they still looking at you? You should be in London by now, but your case is a long thing. I was trying not to talk, not to complicate your case. Your criminal case is a criminal case. You mention names. I don't mention names when I'm talking. It is in the process of protecting my victims that I don't mention names. I will say don't mention name. Mi ò dárúkọ anybody. Don't mention name. Ìwà lanu gbàgà. Wà ní pastor Tolu kan. Odo pastor Odo ìyàwó pastor kìnì kan. Wà la gbàgà ni, and you will reap the like of people. A woman came to you. One of the people who is sponsoring you on your channel. Kí ló ṣe fún woman yẹn? She wanted you to speak for her. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, you were telling her pé ìwọ àtàwọn bloggers kan lẹ kó lọ mú 3 million wá before you can do the case for her. Yes or no? You said she needs to pay 3 million. The woman said, where will she see 3 million? You said that's the amount you wanted. Because if I drag I want you to that's me. If I drag you want to case. You mentioned somebody that you were going to pay 1 million to, another person you pay 1 million to, then the remaining 1 million is going to be for you. That woman now said, please now. Okay, those people should not talk for her. You now say she should bring 680,000. Did she pay you 680,000? Yes or no? At the end of the day, you mess up that woman's life. Today, that woman has gone into hiding. Ika. Bring out anybody that asks me to collect money, that I collect money from. Don't tell me this is not necessary. Bola. Don't tell me this is not necessary.
Looking for my attention all the time. But I try to.
Your attention has what? When I came on social media, I met you on social media. I overtook you because I talk with sense. And I'm not only talking with sense, I don't dwell and bore people with stories. You were on Sule's case for 2-3 years. Kilode Sule ba Isurini. You were talking like you were obsessed with Sule. I want to talk better you even mess up their life. And I'm coming, I'll get there. Instead of you to go and face your problem.
But it has gotten to a stage that I need to address it. And for those of you that care to listen, this was her message to me. And she can bring it out. How many times I've called her in my life? She has always been the one calling, call me. And
I can count number of times that I called you. I called you once when I needed to set up my monetization because I was new on social media. And that's no big deal. People countless times. On Sunday, somebody still called me about monetization and I put her through. A lot of people have been putting through on monetization. I called you when you and Bisola, when you brought out a video about Ruth Matthews. And I said, please, can we just hold on and let's see what's going on? And you got upset. That was when I know you were upset with me for Bisola calling into my show. Everybody that was on that show on that day knew I was not the one that brought Bisola. I don't even know Bisola. I don't have close relation with Bisola. But Bisola thought I was close with you, and Bisola called into my show to come and explain what you did to her, that you are risking her life, that she sent you a video to keep, and you put that video out, that now, because of that, she feels her life is not safe. That why is it that your own thing is all about putting videos out for crowd? And I was trying to beg Bisola to take it easy. And from there, I became a labosi. They called the guy's wife and said, if you want us because of the baby you are holding, so yeah, your baby will not suffer, you have to leave that man. So they had told the lady, call Olopa on your husband. Tell Olopa that he wanted to rape you. Now, so the lady said, call police on the husband. Say, your husband won't grape him. And you all know that's a serious offense in abroad. The police came. They asked the husband to leave the house while investigation is going on. They did investigation and found out that the lady lied. At this point, between the time they were investigating and everything, the lady packed her load. Till today, as I'm talking, for the past 2 years, the guy does not know where the wife and the child is, as I'm talking till today.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wò ó tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ fídíò yìí parí ẹ mọ̀ pé ogun láyé ìkà láyé o. ẹ wò ó nínú fídíò yìí ni Aunty Adunni ló ti tú àṣírí Maureen Badejo pẹ́rẹpẹ̀rẹ. tẹ́ ẹ bá wo fídíò yìí parí ẹ̀yin náà á mọ̀ wípé ogun láyé ìkà láyé. ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má gbàgbé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wo fídíò yìí ẹ bá mi wo ibi tán kọ subscribe sí nísàlẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ kílíkì lé subscribe button yẹn lórí ọwọ́ yín tẹ́ fi ń bá wa tẹ subscribe ní orúkọ Jésù ẹ ò ní fi gbé ọmọ sí o.
The guy, when the guy now got to UK, they said instead of giving the guy a job, he was now using that guy for money laundry. What is the money laundry she was using the guy for? Remember, COS was selling so much at this point. She was making a lot of money. She's not the owner of the license, so it was a man that has that license. Remember, there was a case. That was the case I came out to remove myself. She wanted me to speak and fight for her, but I removed myself. We don't talk. Somebody tagged me to this lady, Maureen, and said, Ore Adunni ole, you two are talking about pastors, but yet you are doing the same thing. I didn't collect nobody's money. I never collected nobody's money. And I said, I don't live in America, I live in UK. That was when I did this disclaimer that I'm not affiliated to any blogger on social media. I didn't collect a dime for any COS. I don't know anything about COS. I don't know how they do COS. I said, please remove me from this case. That lady, when the person that was tagging me was one profile. That was when Yeye Kudi did a show on that. It was now later I saw Yeye Kudi doing a show on that case. I said, okay, so this is where the COS story was coming from, and they are tagging me. I did America, how can you tag me to COS? That person eventually had to even block that lady off because the tagging was too much. I don't know anything about it. I say whoever collects money for COS will come and explain. Please, I am not the one I'm begging you guys. Social media. That was when the battle line was really drawn. Meanwhile, our friend in America here wants to continue using me to propagate our lies about Olukoya. Maybe tomorrow if I don't have strength to continue again. So they say when that guy now got to UK, instead of giving the guy a job of caregiver, now they use the guy for money laundry. Now somebody call the guy, say, if Olopa catch you, your own is finished in this country. And you know, say, a person will just enter country, we in leg, never stand. Now the guy tell and say, Aunty, please, you told me, say you go give me job. That job you're asking me to do every day, I can't continue. Can you please give me the caregiver job you promised me? Now from there, that guy offend her. Now from there, the guy offended her. So instead of giving the guy a job, he began to intimidate the guy. And you know the guy is a free person, a new person for UK. Mo ti fẹ́ block your mobile line fúnra mi bí Facebook ló wà. Mo ti block it. That you are new. The guy was new. He doesn't know anybody. He has to software that job. You don't give the guy. they say one day he go inside the house. And he was the one, no, don't forget, he was the one accommodating this guy. He was the one that put him in the place where the guy was staying. That he was the one that was paying for where the guy was staying. He was the one paying the bills. But he wanted the guy to be doing different errands. You understand? So when he now saw that the guy refused to continue to do the errands, the money laundry errands, now she refused to pay electricity bill for this guy inside cold during winter. During winter. They say the guy nearly died inside the house. After that one, now the guy himself converts, report her to the authority. When she saw that the guy reported that to authority, she penetrated the guy's wife. They now call the guy and say, okay, don't worry. Ask them that, go and tell the authority that we have settled the case. We will give you job. The guy now, they now promised that. Promised the guy. The guy now called authority that they have given him job and all the rest. Immediately they saw that the guy has done that. You know you can't go back and say you did they lied again. That was how they refused to give the guy job. That one day the guy, the manager. Please, I forgot to mention that the guy went to UK with his wife and the child. They now called the wife and told the wife, if you want to continue because of your baby, we will help you out on condition that you leave your husband. She real wicked. Abiamo. See how wicked somebody that calls herself a mother. She will come on sola to get ma towo bo mi lenu. E ma towo bo mi lenu. Go and face what is facing you. Àwọn àbúrò àtọ̀rẹ́ wọ́n bú mi kiri. Mo dẹ̀ ń gbójú, mo ń gbójú. You came out instead of facing what is facing you. O ṣáná sílà ló nítorí mo sọ̀rọ̀. Yes, mo sọ̀rọ̀, but mo yìí ń ṣẹ́nu kun àzàtàná. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo dẹ̀ sọ lánàá has nothing to do with you. Of course, kò sí, there is no out. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ Fúnkẹ́ tá a ní sọ ìwọ̀nba nínú tiẹ̀ mọ́. O fò bọ́ta. O ń pè mí lórúkọ ní part 1 ló ṣe. O yìí máa ṣe part 100, you will do part 100. They called the guy's wife and say, if you want us because of the baby you are holding, so your baby will not suffer, you have to leave that man. So they had told the guy, the lady, call Olopa on your husband. Tell Olopa that he wanted to rape you. And so the lady said, call police on the husband. Say, your husband won't grape him. And you all know that's a serious offense in abroad. The police came. They asked the husband to leave the house while investigation is going on. They did investigation and found out that the lady lied. At this point, between the time they were investigating and everything, the lady packed her load. Till today, as I'm talking, for the past 2 years, the guy does not know where the wife and the child is, as I'm talking, till today. Till today. Till today, the guy does not know where the wife and the child is. Tell me how they have helped this guy. Tell me the goodness they have done to this guy. Gbogbo yín lẹ bí ọmọ, tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ fún ọmọ yín. All in the name of creating awareness. People have come to me. People talk to me. I protect them. I will tell them this that is happening. The country you have. To fight justice is difficult. What do you think you can do? Some I have helped out of my pockets. Oyagba, lo fi wá nǹkan ṣe. Because I know I'm not using them to make money. I know I am not using them for anything. Creating awareness does not equate risking people's lives. Even journalists, even big TV houses, when they have to investigate people, they will carry them and cover their faces for privacy reasons, for security reasons. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn lè máa sọ the same thing nípa ẹ̀ now. Ṣebí you fought Coco Mama. Wọ́n ní wọ́n gan ló da marriage Coco Mama rú. You went to investigate Coco Mama. Anything that you know about me, bring it out. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ pa mi tí mi ti sọ pa ara mi. Bring it out. Kefirossi, the way you always, when you want to tell a story, you will add pepper and curry and thyme and cook it and give it to public. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead. Mo fún go ahead kó ṣe. Mi ò jalè. Mi ò dé fàyè láyé ṣayé. Láíláí ẹlẹ́dàá mi kọ̀, orí mi kọ̀. Why? Because I have my own children. I would never ever do that to anybody. Otobo, the same thing. Otobo bú ẹ ó ṣépè fún ẹgbẹ̀yìn ni. They said that guy is saying, wherever you are, oni bonu ẹ. Mo ní, what if tó bá pe bọ̀bọ́ yẹn kó wá ṣe evidence? Wọ́n ní bọ̀bọ́ yẹn láyé òun ò lè ṣe evidence kankan. Tóun bá ní nǹkan tóun lè gbélẹ̀ tó máa fi fílẹ̀ olóhùn ò ní gbélẹ̀. Kí ló dé tẹ fẹ́ràn owó kọjá ẹ̀mí yín lọ? Kí ló dé tẹ fẹ́ràn owó tí greed tó jọba lọ́kàn yín? Tẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀rú àtúbọ̀tán pẹ́yìn náà bímọ. Ẹ fàyè àwọn ẹni ẹlẹ́ni. The other one was dancing. Pé kí ló kàn òun? But meanwhile, she was the one that said what kept Richard in the prison. And I have a lot of information, concrete evidence. Tí wọ́n sọ wípé òun ló ń sọ fáwọn to be crying on social media so that they can be telling public pé nǹkan tó Olúkọ̀yà ṣe. Kí ló dé, kí ló le tó yẹn? Kí ló le tó yẹn? To the extent you guys went to open WhatsApp group. Inside that WhatsApp group, your children are there. Kí làwọn ọmọ yín wá nínú WhatsApp group or social media? You don't even care for the privacy of your children. You kept your children. The other one, tó wà l'America bí, her husband is the admin. He is part of the admin lórí social media. Mi ò gbọ́rú eléyìí rí. Your desperation is out of this world. Your desperation is out of this world. For what? Lórí kíni àti kíni. And you have children. Lórí kíni àti kítúni. Kí ló le tó yẹn? Èmi ni ó sọ pé o mọ̀ rí. I don't know you too. The way we talk about others, a sọ pa ara wa náà. Ó tó bá mọ̀ pa mi kò sọ. Pátápátá Adunni marry. Àpèrè ní fẹ́ you sleep with somebody. Ẹ lè ní mo jalè. Ẹ lè ní mo destroy ayé aláyé to build my life. Ẹ lè ní mo lọ gbéyàn kan wá. Kó wá parọ́. Kí ló dé? Sarah reported that case. Many of them, people were saying it's a lie, it's a lie. They say it's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Story yẹn ni mo gbọ́ wọn lie ìsọkọ́bọ̀. These stories will come to you. It's now left to you on what to make use of that story, how to make use of that story without risking the lives of people, without jeopardizing the safety and security of people involved in the story. You guys keep risking people's lives. Even that guy, they said that guy cannot reach Nigeria because it was that guy that gave you the video of Apostle Sule. And he didn't give you the video to put in the public. You kept the video, you put the video in the public. In the process, àwọn méje Noku. Àwọn méje. Tell me what you have achieved. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn tó kú yẹn kò ní jẹ́ onísinmi. Ẹ jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn tó kú lórí kéèsì yẹn kò ní jẹ́ onísinmi. Out of greed. People call me when I'm doing stories. Some things they will tell me, Aunty, and I will listen. Did these people you are fighting, she won't share personally, which was what even Banana was asking. To leto yẹn. Kí ló dé lórí owó àfọwọ́bà sílẹ̀? The other one say, no, you see that other one. That one is not greedy for real. That other one for America here, she's not greedy, but she wants to have a church. She said, "Na Holy Spirit tell her." So whether na Holy Spirit they tell that one, she has to have her own church and be collecting offering and tithes. That one a sneaky person. I will come for that one tomorrow. Kí ló dé lórí owó. Okay, I forgot. Let's listen to this video. Ẹ jẹ́ má jọ gbàgbé. Kí n gbọ́dọ̀ gbàgbé video yìí. Everybody cannot be saying the same thing about you. Orí owó yìí náà ni. COS ò work mọ́. You wanted to go and collect YouTube. Kí ló stop àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ new YouTube. Within 1-2 years, wàá débi tó bá fẹ́ dé. But you are still owó yẹn ti dùn mọ́ ẹ jù. $15,000 monthly yẹn ti wà okay. You want to get it back. Òun ló ṣe kásíkálọ́. Greed kills faster than poison. Mo ń bọ̀ o. These are the people you are supposed to respond to, not me. Okay? The response to these allegations I'm about to play. Àwọn tó yẹ kó lọ bá gangan rèé.
What's Obi?
Respond to this, Maureen.
How is you? Such a good time to be alive. What a good time to be alive. First of all, before we proceed, I really think that you guys don't rate me on this social media. Because by now, ó yẹ kẹ́ máa fi prophet síwájú orúkọ mi kẹ́ máa rate mi. Nǹkan wà tó yẹ kẹ́ at this point. Come on, man. We just see it, project it, say it, and it just happened. Ladies and gentlemen of Gbenutan Nation, this charlatan. Before we proceed, let us sing a special number. Let's take a special song for commercial break. Ambaso edegba. Ambaso edegba. Kabeniyan jele mamu kotun madu gbigbi.
Mo sọ̀rọ̀ pásítọ̀ mi ò wà lẹ́yìn.
Obisere oni ológun àríyá olúlẹ̀ bí dànù oníṣẹ́ gbangba kiri jìgbà o. Amen somebody. Amen. This charlatan, Maureen Badejo, headline news. After over 2001, 2, 3, almost 5 years of consistent, distasteful behavior of maligning people for no reason, people who have no dealings with you, people that you don't even know, people who have done nothing to you. Consistent behavior of this, I don't know, somebody just sleep and wake up and just decided that what I want to be doing for a living is attacking pastors. What did God do to you? What is your problem? Who hurts you? We said our bits, starting from, in fact, she didn't just sleep and wake up, because I realized that I've been seeing reaction. Most of you did not even know this woman. If you have been following me for a while, you remember when it was me and this girl having headlocks. At a point, I just left her alone. Headline news, UK-based blogger Maureen Badejo, for whatever reason, that she used her own leg to walk to Nigeria. And upon arrival, I learned that one woman told her they can help her with her YouTube page. First of all, I thought you said you are not doing this for money. Your YouTube page was that important to you that you left Nigeria.
Yeah, and she wants to pay 20 million.
So you left UK to go to Nigeria to go and pursue your YouTube channel. By the way, the YouTube channel was brought down by the team of Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Let me give you a background so that this discussion can make sense.
Why didn't they bring my own YouTube channel down? Everything they did to you, no pastor is doing it to me. Because I have not alleged them and I'm not alleging. When I see, apart from Redeemed story, which is authentic, any fucking time, my story is authentic, I have receipts. So if Redeemed should come and meet me here that they want to take me to court, I will counter sue them. For emotional damages, psychological damages, and everything. At money, go financial loss. Oh, they deny I want to start a church and no one now. Any other pastor, Timba was a story more online in me, and my shows are mixed. They can as well sue me too. They came to UK to sue you because they have every legitimate evidence and enough material to sue you. Oh, any material that is sue me. I talk about pastor and I'll continue. I've
been seeing reactions, seeing posts and comments from different people who, even though your position on this matter sounds very lame, I don't want to say senseless, but I want to make a grant for you that you don't know this woman. To you, is it because you talk about the pastor? That's why the pastor is arresting them and taking them to court. We will get there. I have your time today. You see, since the thing happened, I've been very busy with work. And it is paining me that I didn't have the time. Let's get to it. Before we get to the news, so Maureen has been arrested for almost getting to a week now, for some time now. And immediately she landed in Nigeria, she was arrested and she was detained in Aunty. I think they've appeared in court. I've been following the story on the background, but I've not been able to come out and talk about it. So before we get to context, the first question we are going to ask is this. Who is Maureen Badejo? Who? I will give you a background. How did she end up here? For the purpose of more to what extent this woman has done. Because you see, it's a compound statement to just say, is it because he talked about the pastor? Sometimes you have to be careful.
These are people that have been on social media before.
No context. Who is Maureen Badejo? Maureen Badejo is just like any other person, a woman that was hustling. You know, everybody with so much vision, so much ambition to become something in life. She went to a polytechnic, Federal Polytechnic, Ilaro, and then in the course of that, he met a man who, as at the time, was already, in the peak of his career, Mr. Badejo. Mr. Badejo saw a girl, pick up interest in her, and decided to make her his wife. For somebody who have your good at heart, Mr. Badejo decided to feel like, okay, fine girl, I'm going to marry. Hey, I want to go to school. Help her to get back to school, did her HND. They got married. First red flag was that immediately this man got married, this woman turned her against all her friends and associates. But that's not where the story started. I'm giving you a background story for the purpose of Enitemo. When she graduated, the husband helped her get a job with an airline. It was alleged that she was having some form of involvement with the boss of this airline, who helped her travel to Dublin. Did a Schengen visa for her. She traveled to Dublin and came back. After that trip, everything changed in the marriage. Everything. One day, this man, Mr. Badejo, went to work like every other man who is fending for his family, who is hustling. He went to work, and by the time he returned from work, the whole house was echoing. Oh, echo. What's going on here? Wagwan. Got home, every single property in the house has been evacuated. Every single property in the house has been moved. Not only that, the only thing that was left in this house was a note that was written by Maureen, stating the fact that she had jackwass. She took the man's money, took the man everything, and disappeared with the children till today. The child that they had then were from the age of 3 to the age of 7. Those children right now are in their 20s. That man never set his eyes on this child again, on these children again. Never. For more than 2 decades, he didn't even know where Maureen Badejo was. She relocated to Dublin. While she was in Dublin, I will save some stories, because while I was in Dublin, she met with another man that had almost similar or worse experience. He used the man, she had a child for that man again, left the man, stole from the man, and relocated to United Kingdom. She was based in Luton, UK. Don't come for me. Is it Luton or Luton, whichever one? That's your family business. Now, she moved to the United Kingdom, met another man. The relationship did not work. Those of you who are counting men for her, be counting it. Sometimes around 2018, 2019, between 2017 and 2019, I can't put my finger on it right now. I don't know how she taragbaragba online. There is a prophet in Nigeria called Sam Ojo. You know, this overzealous member, men of God, beware. My daddy, for somebody that you don't know her background. How she taragbaragba enter Sam Ojo's platform. She was said to be consistent, very loyal member. She joined their program online. She grew to become joining their inner caucus group. She did everything. She got the man's attention. I don't know what the communication was. According to her, Sam Ojo was involved with her. At some point, she denied that. At some point, she later admitted that. Long story short, this woman became like the frontliner for Sam Ojo in London. Matter of fact, there are 3 different business registrations registered in the name of Sam Ojo's ministry called Farren. And each of these businesses was registered in the name of Maureen Badejo. She registered Sam Ojo's ministry in UK. She created a WhatsApp group where they are raising funds monthly. They started doing fellowship. Long story short, good gesture, helping the man's business ministry, and there was a plan to have, the UK branch, which was being spearheaded by Maureen. Along the line, while all of this was going on, we don't know who is lying to each other between both of them. She found out that, maybe she found out, or the thing just didn't work out the way she wants, that Sam Ojo had a wife. Matter of fact, as at that time, Sam Ojo was involved with another woman. I will save that name so that we don't drag people that has no business in it. She was involved with another woman. Sam Ojo, no, she was involved with another woman who is a prominent name in Nigeria.
So when people tell you they are fighting for something, it's always good for you to be patient. Look at what they are fighting for. Look at the reason they are giving. Now, many of us didn't know this. You understand? So they said a pastor disappointed her. You understand? Which is, of course, I agree it can be painful. But Chena Sule
and her involvement.
Now Lukoya and Sule that she dragged into coma for 5 years. When there are many pastors doing worse things, to wa lórí social media that we see every day. Tí wọn ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ nípa yẹn. Please, reason. Don't be carried away with sentiment. Sometimes we trust people not knowing their motive, not knowing their intentions, and we think they are doing good things. Instead of being a good follower, you will help people into destruction. I could see through followers. That's why I said, when followers are saying, Aunty Adunni, let us have a WhatsApp group. I said, for what? Aunty Adunni, let us have your account to be donating money. I said, for what? Kí lẹ fẹ́ donate owó fún mi fún? And you only donation is sonu ika. You all hide with some of you, many of you, fake accounts. Greedy person will have fall for all this your rubbish. Let us be donating for you. Give me your account. We will be giving you money. Money Emma Fumila account. I've been saying this thing over 4-5 years now. Emma Fumilowo. Emma Fumilowo iku. Emma Fumilowo ika. Emma Fumilowo to ma ba tèmi jẹ́. Mi ò fẹ́. Tí ilé oge tó ge jẹ. Nǹkan tí aṣọ tẹ́ bá rí lára ẹ̀gà ló ní tèmi. Mo yọ̀ǹda. Ẹ di owó yín mú. Have a WhatsApp group to do what? Having a WhatsApp group is a means to scam people. I don't want. Having a WhatsApp group is to do the same thing. It's like having a church. Having people under you to manipulate and use to satisfy your financial needs. I said I don't want. Somebody is making $50,000 monthly. Lori YouTube nìkan ni o. When Facebook is still not there, has not been added though. And that time, Facebook was paying very well. Not like for us freebies. I mean newbies that we came in and shortly before we came in, Facebook would change style. Facebook was paying very well. So probably with Facebook, she might be making 20 to 25,000 monthly. She will have small case, edawo. And it's the same thing that pastors are doing. Pastor will collect offering and tithe and seed offering. When they have problem, they still come to you to come and pay. Please tell me how it's different. Edenda. Anyways, your money, what's my business? Emada. So just listen. Emma
this woman gets more public. She had a problem with the lady too because, it deceived the woman and all of those things. So when the woman had a problem with Sam Ojo, Maureen got to know that the woman is involved with Sam Ojo. And by this extension, he realized that she was being played. And then she became angry, she became bitter, which is reasonable. This is what brought Maureen Badejo. And now, at this point, where she got online, the story becomes a big story. There were blogs that were carrying it. This woman that, oh, Sam Ojo don't fair, and the story was on different blogs. For example, Sojo Lowoyo was handling the matter then, coming for Sam in Maureen's defense. So, a couple of blogs, when things happen like that, some people will be in your favor, some people will be against. He ran to Soji to advocate for her, and the matter was on.
Shengba, somebody that said she's not into fracas. Can you hear? That guy they just mentioned was one of the strong member of fracas. And it alone was in fracas.
For some reason, maybe Soji took a turn. She didn't like some things that Soji was saying, or maybe Soji was not taking her defense enough. She jumped out to tell her story herself because it was a big mess.
They want to keep me quiet. They didn't tell her to keep quiet. Why did she respond to this guy? You did not tell her to respond to these people. Shame bu kọjá wípé kí ló wá lọ sí Naija. Kí ló fà lọ sí Naija torí Ọlọ́run ẹ gbà wá. Pé ade ń sọ fún o, wà ń bá sọ o èdè gbà. Wàhálà yìí ti tó. Ẹ fọ̀rọ̀ súlẹ̀ lẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ sọ mo ní ṣé mi bá ṣe wọnú trap lélẹ́yìí. Ká ní mi ò forí pípé ṣe. Nígbà tó bọ́ta, who is she supposed to face? These people. She has not responded to this video till today. And this video was that week that she was arrested. Why are they going for me? Why are they going for my jugular? Do you know how many people they have raised to be writing for me on social media? Tí mo ignore. Kóhun náà tó tún wá ṣáná sí loud. Lọ yanjú ààrẹ. Níbo lo ti rọ́pò Sule? Where did you see Apostle Sule Pọ́nrán that you put out that time? Níbo lo ti rí? Níbo lo ti rí? 7 people ló kú, wọ́n ní wọ́n ló pa wọ́n, ó jẹ́ lọ yanjú ààrẹ. Èyí tó wà lọ́kùn ẹ̀ tó wà láyé ẹ̀ máa ju nǹkan tó ń sáré kiri fún. Ó rò pé Ṣòwòrẹ́ lè gbà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà yẹn. Ṣòwòrẹ́ cannot save you. You go explain tire.
Now, what ended her relationship with Sam Ojo was that I told you they created a group. She took the money from this group, more than £20,000, remove Sam Ojo himself from the group, block everybody off, went away with the money till today.
Okay, now.
Did you see records of fraud? That one, not even concern me. The money were not Sam Ojo's money. They were people's money that donated. If you will report here from long story short, I gave you this background story so that you know how she got on social media. Why am I telling you this story? That will explain the reason why Maureen began to attack men of God. Why Maureen's platform is only to attack men of God. Not one day as Maureen did any show that covers any other content other than bringing men of God down. Her motivation were rage, bitterness, and anger. If she had stayed on the person that offended her, just be sorry, versus Pastor Chris, it would have been nice. In fact, she would have had support of a lot of people, including myself, more than likely. I guess the bitterness was on another level where this woman went wild, man. She went wild. Any pastor, she started with any pastor that seems to be friend or have any affinity with Sam Ojo were under attacks. For example, Prophetess Adunni Genesis. Those were her first prey. She go bizarre, purporting lies, falsehood claims, heinous things, unspeakable allegations. She went from Sam Ojo to Prophetess Adunni Genesis and left him alone, and then went on to Dr. D.K. Olukoya. That was, in fact, most people knew her and knew her platform from when she started maligning Dr. D.K. Olukoya. All manner of unspeakable things. They found somebody that he knows. He has evidence that they found the man in Babalawo house. The man had a shrine in his church. The man is sexually assaulting minor. He's sleeping with this. He's sleeping with that. He used jazz to sleep with them. I'm not saying one show. I'm not saying two shows. I'm saying shows every day with thousands of people on the live show watching for years. Years.
Ta ló sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn náà? Don't block the person, please. Tell me, mo kò fẹ́ dẹ́ni yẹn lóhùn ni. Ẹni yẹn sọ pé if Olukoya had something to hide, he won't be fighting them in court. Oh, okay, he's supposed to send people to go and beat them. Tí ìmọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Most of you are ignorant of what is going on. We are the one talking. We are the one that is going to have information. And like I said, it took me this long to start talking about all this. There are so many things. All right? Even this Olukoya's case, I have some tangible information of who is paying who to start rolling those videos out. Any suru and conju ni. Emma conju.
Went from there, took a break, went back. That was when
I stand, like I always say, I stand on the path of truth, no matter who the person is. Be it a pastor, be it is an ex-member like myself, as long as your story is genuine. I am telling you today, the fights they are fighting Olukoya is not 100% genuine. Maybe some percentage, maybe very little percentage, but most of it are scripts being played. Trust people you don't know at your death.
The issue with Prophet Adunni Genesis came up. She went back to Genesis, and from there went
provide
back to
evidence.
Went to Apostle Johnson Suleiman. She became untamable. This lady did a show for Pastor Adeboye one time, raining curses on this man for no reason, with no sensible claim, no evidence. People will just call on your show and just say stuff. Not a single evidence. I'm saying for the past 5 years, not one story did Maureen Badejo ever covered that she covered it with a tenable, reasonable evidence. Not one. Guess what? There were people calling on her show, telling their stories.
Hold on. Not one evidence. Me, as per Redeem, I have more than enough evidence. I was a member of the Redeem. I have mentioned names of people. I have the pictures of people in Redeem. Pictures of Iluyomade. Pictures of some pastor that visited us in our house. I have all the evidence. I provide evidence. Egbe jombole wa lowo. All because Oruko Sule Njawo. Sule's name, Apostle Sule's name can bring money. $15,000 monthly. You are bringing, when Facebook is not paying money again, you are now showing us when Facebook is paying you $20, $30, $300. Ayé ìgbà tó ń gba $15,000. Show us your receipts when YouTube was paying you. During Sule time, you can still have the, don't tell us you don't have it. Let us see what you were making during Sule's time. Búra pé o sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún mi kórúkọ Sule Njawo. Ajáde ni, I say, àwọn video which show lẹ́yìn tí ẹ wá jókòó sí tẹ̀ ń wò. I say na the thing wey I dey see on social media I dey talk about. He say, when orúkọ Sule Njawo lẹ́yìn jókòó, ṣe fẹ́ evidence. I say, okay, send it. Oh, send the evidence. No money. Okay, I don't hear you. Now this one make I take talk. May I begin accuse somebody when I was not there. I am educated and enlightened. Me in Shoponu. Me odenshe literate or half baked. Now so I carry the video, I put on my side. I say, I shegun. Ele evidence.
Backing up all our claims.
Uncle,
nowhere today. Nowhere at all today. like they are nowhere. There are so many of them. Now, this is getting to limelight because now she's been arraigned. Somebody say, hey, are you not the pastor? Do you know that this is not the first? A report was filed. She was sued to court 3 years ago. Was fined 500 million. Was served an order of cease and desist for her to stop mentioning this man's name on her platform. I have those documents. If I check my archive, I will find it. They fined her 500 million naira, gave her an order for cease and desist. She said, she came back worse. Worse. She was sued in the United Kingdom. Was fined about, I think about 100,000 pounds. 175,000. Don't mention this man's name again. 175,000 nicknames. And then later she went bizarre again.
She was actually, they were granted 200,000 pounds. 100,000 pounds. Then another 75,000, no, 70,000 pounds, then another 30,000 pounds. Almost 200,000 pounds, Loma Sony UK. And one follower is
every effort to stop this lady, they were like petrol inside the fire. Well, in a fire. She did all of this. She did all of this and everything. Then Suleiman, Apostle Suleiman, what did she not say about Apostle? What did she not say about Apostle? What did this girl not say about Apostle Suleiman? This has been going on for years. Hours and hours of raining courses. Hours and hours. Like Monday to Sunday show with all these crazy people that have no identity. They will come and tell stories. Who are these people you don't know? She's not been arrested for what she said once. She's not been arrested for what she said twice. She's not been arrested for one story. She's not been arrested for what she said for 2 weeks. She's been arrested for what she said for years. Monday to Sunday, January to December. When you want to come with the bull crap of, I didn't know the pastor, did Jesus arrest anybody? Did anybody did a live show for Jesus maligning him? He that come with equity must come with clean hands. He that has heart must prove. Did they kill him? Did they kill her right now? No. You have said so much because you think you are abroad. You think you can run your mouth. Now you come to Nigeria, they pick you up. He that has heart must prove. All the evidences you have said that you have since the last 5 years, just bring them to court. Tell them that this Dr. Lukoya is a ritualist. Prove it. You go home scot-free. Just go to court and say, Dr. Suleiman, no, he slept with this one, he slept with this one, he did ritualist here, they saw him at this Babalawo house in this address, these are my evidence. Prove it. What is wrong in you saying something? They are using the law for you to come and prove it. I will not, this video is already getting long. I will put it for you in part. This is who Maureen is. This is how she has become a devil's incarnate. For some reason, she used her own leg to work. Because you know all these abroad bloggers, they can run their mouth. Because you think that you're abroad, you have an immunity. Now, there are some of them that I'm still waiting for in Nigeria. Somebody should help me beg Bukky Jesse to try and go to Nigeria. If she spent 2 hours in that airport before she joined her sister, one down, couple of them to go. I'm going to come back so that this video is not long. It's already long. I'm beginning to break down to the kind of person
I'm not looking for any and if I want to go, I will speak in. She's been going to YouTube.
I look forward to her proving all the allegations. It's not about 8. Do you know how many things that get? I don't want to go into how many things that guy did to me. They will come online and start raining curses. People will call on our show with my name and start cursing. All we had.
Okay, I feel like it's a personal talk, so let's leave it there. Now, I'm surprised that you saw all this online, Maureen. You saw people dragging you. Immediately they arrested you. Even when they came out and said you are linked, and you want to know how they are linking you to the people that are buying in Nigeria, the 7 people. Now that's your evil Telegram and WhatsApp group. To go buy. Inside the WhatsApp group and Telegram group, you don't know who and who is in there. They went there discussing about the people that buy. They went into that group discussing about people that buy in Nigeria. Those 7 people that buy when they said they wanted to assassinate Apostle Sule Johnson. Remember one of the people that was arrested, he said he's from a certain place. It now happens to be where she is from. That is why they are saying she's the one who sent them to go and buy Apostle Sule. You are not even talking. Accusation, face this accusation and let me be. This is what you did to me 4 years ago when Bisola called in into my show to report to me. I know how many shows you did for me. Agboma Wendy is my witness. She came to me, Maureen is abusing me. I said, leave her alone, I'm not going to respond. Oshe omujengba yen. You came out again this time around instead of facing what is facing you. Báwo ló ṣe ráyè tèmi pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó wà láyé ní Nigeria? You know pé fire and joy ní Dinibi Nigeria. According to what you have on ground. They have not even added Olukoya's case to your case at all. They've not started Olukoya. So I don't know why people are saying Olukoya arrested. Olukoya is not even involved in the case yet. I'm telling you categorically. Reliable for information. I have a friend that the husband is a son. Kò sí nǹkan tá bá fẹ́ gbọ́ ní Nigeria tẹ́yìn ò ní gbọ́, except you just decide not to, talk about it. I remember I asked. They say Olukoya has not even started case with you at all. Olukoya is not even involved.